one of the many that took place over the weekend. We had Rainbow Medicare, that's the first management on the show. They will buy 76% stake in Prashanthi Hospital in Telangana. To talk more about this development, we are now joined by Ramesh Kancharla, who's the chairman and managing director of the company. Thanks a lot, Mr. Kancharla, for joining in. Every time you join in, we ask you about this inorganic plan, right? This has happened. Tell us a little more. How much can you scale this by? And by when does this break even? Or what synergies are you expecting?
So this is the first expansion within the Telangana from Hyderabad. We have done it. So Warangal is the second largest, the Tri-City, Warangal, Hanmukonda and Kajipet. It's about 1.1 million population. So where the brand is a very well recognized. So we've been looking at kind of opportunities to kind of start a hospital there. This has come very handy, Prashanthi Hospital, and also fundamentals are very similar. It's a dominantly kind of obstetric-driven hospital as of now, and the neonatal. So where we can go in kind of build further to be a comprehensive children's and women's hospital.
Okay. So could you just give us a sense in terms of what presence you all would have in Telangana now with this particular acquisition? How many beds would you all have, and the statistics such as occupancy that you are probably anticipating?
I think that this is a 100-bed facility, and with this addition, we have 940 beds in Hyderabad. So this will take us get past 1,000 beds in Hyderabad and Telangana. So, I mean, this 100 beds at the moment, their occupancies are kind of somewhere around 30+%. So we're hoping to kind of build a kind of a larger fort over there and have a kind of a comprehensive services for the women and children.
So this current hospital, Prashanthi, which you've acquired, has occupancies of around 30-odd%.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
So that's quite low. What is the financials looking like? For example, the EBITDA as well as, say, the bottom line. Is it making money?
It's about, the 17% of EBITDA, and they do good numbers, actually, numbers-wise, when you look at it. They do 1,400 deliveries. They see about 4,500 outpatients, inpatients, about 30,000 of outpatients. I think what's important is that it's been driven dominantly with an obstetric-driven hospital with the neonatal care. So what Rainbow is going to make it more comprehensive.
Mr. Kancharla, I wanted to understand if there is expansion plans beyond this 100 bed that you have out there. Do they have room for you to add some more beds there? Would you have to invest a little more out there? And since you take this hospital over, what is the kind of incremental revenue and EBITDA that we can see? Because you're a much bigger chain, so there would obviously be some sort of cost synergies as well.
Yeah. So traditionally what we look at it, we would term it as a regional spoke. As a regional spoke, 100 beds is fairly good enough. Probably what we would do is we would tweak a little more towards more intensive care beds, plus obstetrics and then pediatrics. So we drive a specialty care from the clinics from Hyderabad, and also other complex stuff will get transferred to Hyderabad. This will be a typical regional spoke. The 100 beds is fairly good enough. Probably we need to do a more Capex as we move forward, as our hospital's operations are getting strengthened.
Okay. Just wanted to, ask you whether you're looking inwards into the domestic business more because of, say, the international revenue being a little challenging. We do understand that, Bangladesh, Oman, Kenya, Sudan, there was a significant decline in a couple of these countries in the past quarters. Are you now looking at domestic revenue more strategically?
I think the international business has never been the big business. I think we maximally clocked about year before 3.5%. Last year, it's dipped down because of geopolitical reasons. So that is that's a long haul. Focusing on international business will happen over a period of time. So that has nothing to do with this one. This is a strengthening our position in Telangana state, because this is where the brand is very well known, even into the village level.
Hear of any more similar deals in other geographies as well in the very near future?
Yes, we are working on few. Probably will come back to you very soon.
And they will be of similar size itself, right?
Probably larger.
Larger. And how many do you expect to close in this year?
Well, we'll come back to you very soon.
Okay, let's put it this way. How many are you in talks with right now?
No, we explore everything. Whatever is available in the market, we would explore it. But eventually, we see that what suits to us philosophically and also where we can kind of build further on.
So would it be this size of an acquisition, and would it be in, the gynecology segment itself?
Yeah, this will be within the pediatrics and obstetrics domain itself. I don't think we would be kind of moving away from our core business.
And geography? Will it be this one, or are the other geographies that you're exploring? Because I remember...
Different geography, which we will...
You focused a lot on the West earlier. Is the next one coming in the West?
I'm not sure, so let's wait for it.
All right.
Just before we let you go, just a quick question, sir. Just wanted to get a sense in terms of the pickup this quarter, because last quarter you said was unusually quiet for you all. Just a quick one-word answer in terms of what you're probably tracking this quarter as compared to the last.
So we're going to come with the results very soon. So let's wait for the results. We're almost in the fag end of the quarter.
Okay. All right, so we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us. So that's Rainbow Medicare. The stock is up around 1% odd. Small acquisition that they've made of around 24 odd crores of a particular 100-bed hospital in Telangana. We'll take a short break. Up next, we'll focus on the big deal. Torrent Pharma JV Chemicals, one of the largest deals in the India branded pharma space. More on that once we're back.